Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I'm going to share with you the solution of trial SPM Terengganu 2023 paper 2. Okay, so here section A, question number 1, diagram 1 shows the mapping for the two functions. Given G inverse X equals to X minus 3, find the value of P. Okay, actually from the diagram here, we can state the function of F. So here Fx, we have Px. And F into G. So become G F. So G F X equals to 2x plus 3. Okay, so now given G inverse. So G inverse X equals to X minus 3. So from G inverse we can find G. So kalau kita ada G inverse, kita nak find G, we use let. So let x minus 3 equals to y. So then x equals to y plus 3. So here is gx. So we will get gx, okay, equals to x plus 3. Okay, so now here we have gfx. Okay, so then if gfx equals to fx plus 3. Okay, so then fx kita compare lah kan. So kita dapat px, fx is px. So px plus 3. So samakan dengan 2x plus 3. Okay. So then we can find P lah. So we compare. So P equals to 2. B, find f2x. Okay, so for Roman 1, from fx, we have px. P is 2, so 2x. So then to find f2x, actually is fx. So we substitute fx into f. Okay, so this one is 2x equals to 4x. Okay, so then Roman 2, find f and x. Okay, so to find f and x, we have to find f3x first. Then we can predict the polar. Okay, so then f3x is f2x. So this one is 4x. Okay, so this one is 8x. Okay, so here we can predict to find f and x. Okay, fx 2x, f2x 4x. 4 is 2 squared. Okay, f3x is 8x. So this one is 2 cube x. Okay, so we can predict for f and x, so equals to 2 power of n x. Number 2, for the badminton doubles game, 2 players are selected from M number of students attend the selection session. If the number of ways a pair can be chosen is 15, find the value of M. Okay, so then here we can use combination. So we have M number of students attend for the session. So M nak choose 2. Okay, so this one equals to 15. Okay, so here actually we have formula of NCR equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay, so then we can apply this formula into this situation. So this one become m factorial over m minus 2 factorial. So this one equals to 15. So m factorial is m times m minus 1 times m minus 2 factorial over m minus 2 factorial equals to 15. So this one we can eliminate. So we expand m times m minus 1 is m squared minus m. Okay, 2, this one 2 times 2 factorial is 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Okay, looks like we have quadratic but not in general form. So we convert into general form, become m squared minus m minus 30, okay, equals to 0. So this one we can factorize. Okay, so m minus 6, m plus 5. Okay, so m is 6, m is negative 5. Okay, since of M is number of students, okay, so we choose the positive one. So M equals to 6. Number 3, it is given that square root A plus B sed 2 equals to 7 over 3 minus sed 2, where A and B are constant. A, find the value of A and of B. Okay, so start from the question here. We have square root A plus B sed 2 equals to 7 over 3 minus sed 2. Okay, so to eliminate the square root, we can square both side. Okay, so then this one become A plus B sed 2, right? Okay, so 7 squared is 49. This one 3 minus sed 2 squared. Okay, so then we simplify this one. So 3 squared is 9 minus 3 times sed 2 times 2. So 6 sed 2. Okay, sed 2 squared is plus sed 2 squared. Okay, so ni kita sambung. Okay, so then we simplify become 49 over sed 2 squared is 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11 minus 6 sed 2. Okay, so this one is not simplest, so we have to rationalize. Okay, so kita kena darab dengan conjugate. Okay, so times 11 plus 6 sed 2, 11 plus 6 sed 2. Okay, so ni kita simplify lah. Okay, so this one become 49 11 plus 6 sed 2. Okay, yang bawah ni kita boleh guna A minus B, A plus B equals to A squared minus B squared. Formula ni. Okay, so this one become 11 squared. Okay, minus 6 sed 2 squared. Okay, so the rest kita simplify je lah kan. Okay, so this one become 49 11 plus 6 sed 2. Okay, over. Okay, dekat sini 11 squared is 121 minus 6 squared 2. Okay, maksud 36 times 2 is 72. Okay, so rupa-rupanya kita boleh simplify. So 121 minus 72 is 49. So 49 over 49 is 1. So this one is 11 plus 6 sed 2. Okay, so we compare tadi just now is A plus B sed 2, right? So then A equals to 11, B equals to 6. B, hence solve E power of 2 ln A plus E power of 2 ln B. Okay, so meaning that hence kita kena gunakan the value of A and B that we already have from question 3A. Okay, so then this one is E power of 2 ln A plus E power of 2 ln B. So this one equals to E power of 2 ln 11 plus E power of 2 ln 6. Okay, so by using laws of logarithm, so E power of ln 11 squared, E power of ln 6 squared. Okay, so yang ni ln E dengan ln habis so this one is 11 squared plus 6 squared. So this one equals to 157. For A Roman 1, prove tangent x over 2 equals to 1 minus cos x over sin x. Okay, so to prove, we have left hand side equals to right hand side. We are going to choose the longer one because easier to simplify rather than to expand. So kita choose yang panjang. So from right hand side. Right hand side, we have 1 minus cos x over sin x. Okay, so here we are going to prove half angle. So kita kena guna half angle lah. untuk cos X, kita ada a few formula kan. So kalau cos X equals to cos squared X over 2 minus sin squared X over 2, ataupun 2 cos squared X over 2 minus 1, ataupun 1 minus 2 sin squared X over 2. So kita nak pilih yang mana, kita pilih yang the last one sebab kita nak tolak X yang satu yang tu. Sebab kita boleh eliminate satu tu. So 1 minus, kita pilih yang the last one 1 minus 2 sin squared X over 2. Okay. So half angle for sin X is 2 sin X over 2 cos X over 2. Okay, C yang belah sini ni kita boleh eliminate. 1 tolak 1, 0. So, negatif-negatif tu kita dapatlah positif. So, equals to 2 sin squared X over 2 over 2 sin X over 2 cos X over 2. Okay, 2 eliminate 2, sin 1 je. So, become sin X over 2 over cos X over 2. Okay, so sin over cos is tangent. So sin X over 2 over cos X over 2 is tangent X over 2. So proven. Okay. A Roman 2, hence soft tangent X over 2 plus sin X equals to 0 for X more equals than 0 but less or equals than 2 pi. Okay, so ada perkataan hence, so maksudnya we are going to use yang previous solution So previous solution is tangent X ni. Tangent X kan, kita kena gantikan lah dengan that one. Okay, so tangent X over 2 plus sin X equals to 0. So tangent is 1 minus cos X over, sin X over sin X plus sin X equals to 0. Okay, so we equate the denominator. So become 1 minus cos X plus sin squared X over sin X equals to 0. Okay, so this one kita bring to the left, become 0 lah. So sin X times 0 is 0. So 1 minus cos X plus sin squared X. Okay, so this one tak uniform. Okay, ada cos ada sin, so we make it uniform. So kita ada basic identity sin squared plus cos squared X equals to 1 kan. Okay, so kita gantikanlah, sin squared X is 1 minus cos squared X. So this one 1 minus cos X plus 1 minus cos squared X equals to 0. Okay, so this one kita make it general. Okay, so is cos squared X plus cos X minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so then the rest we just factorize. Okay, this one akan dapat cos X minus 1 and cos X plus 2. Okay, equals to 0. Solve cos X equals to 1. Okay, cos 1, kalau kita tengok graph, graph cos. So 1 kat sini, kat sini dan kat sini. Okay, this one is 0 dengan 360. Okay, so X equals to 0 and 360. Okay, another one for cos X equals to negative 2. This one ni no solution. No solution. Sebab kalau kita tengok graf kita pun kan, maksimum ni negatif 1. Minimum dia negatif 1. Kalau dah negatif 2 tu dah out of range. So no solution. So jadi kita punya jawapan yang ni je lah. Okay, X 0 and 360. Ataupun boleh juga 0 and 2 pi. B, it is given sin theta equals to M for theta from 0 to pi. Express sin squared theta over 2 in terms of M. Okay, so kita ada sin theta equals to M. Actually, M over 1. So, kita kena guna right angle triangle. So this one is angle theta. So sine is so, opposite is m, hypotenuse is 1. So to find adjacent, Pythagoras theorem, 1 squared minus m squared. Square root. Okay. So then theta from 0 to pi in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. Okay, sine in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2 sebab tu positif. Okay, so kita nak express sine squared theta over 2. So this one half angle. So untuk sine dengan sine, kat sini kita ada angle theta dengan half angle theta over 2. So tak ada formula related single angle dengan half angle untuk sine, tapi ada untuk cos. Yang macam saya dah listkan dekat 4A Roman 1. Yang ni kan. Okay. So kita boleh cari cos. Kita boleh cari juga cos daripada gambar ni. Okay. So daripada diagram ni. Okay. So here kita ada cos theta. Okay, cos theta is cah. So adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so which is equals to 1 minus m squared over 1. Tak payah tulis lah, over 1. Okay, so kita nak cari sine squared. So kita boleh gunakan formula nombor 3 lah. Formula nombor 3 juga. So cos theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin squared x over 2. Lepas tu kita jadikan lah sin squared theta over 2 ni subjek. Okay, yang ni kita tukar. Bukan x, theta. Okay, so theta. Okay, so kita jadikan 2 sin squared theta over 2 equals to 1 minus cos theta. So then sin squared theta over 2 equals to 1 minus cos theta over 2. Okay, so kita masukkan tadi yang ni. So tapi dekat sini cos ada dua. Satu positif, satu negatif. Okay, so kita masukkan yang positif dulu. 1 minus cos is 1 minus m squared. M squared over 2. Okay, ini untuk kuadran 1. Kuadran 1. Kuadran 1. Sebab cos dia positif. Cos dia positif. Tapi just now dia kata in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. In quadrant 2 cos negatif pun ada. So kita ada another answer. Sin squared theta over 2 equals to 1 minus dalam bracket negatif 1 minus m squared. Bahagi dengan 2. Okay, so kita simplify. This one become 1 plus sert 1 minus m squared over 2. So kita ada dua jawapan lah. Yang this one and this one. Yang ni untuk kuadran 2. Sebab kuadran 2 cos negatif. Number 5, diagram 2A shows a roll of wire and diagram 2B shows a cube. A roll of wire is cut into 30 sections with lengths forming an arithmetic progression. It is given that the sum of the lengths of the three shortest sections is 180 cm and the length of the longest section is 396 cm. Load fee is assigned to cut the wire started with the shortest section. Okay, A, find the length of wire. Kat sini clearly given arithmetic progression. So maksudnya dalam arithmetic progression we must know the value of A first term and D common difference. So ada two unknown yang kita tak tahu kat sini. So meaning that we have to find A and D first. Maybe by using simultaneous equation. So that's why we need to form two equation. Two unknown, two equation kita kena form. Okay, apa dia yang dia bagi kat sini? The sum of the length three shortest section is 180. So the first one, kita carilah T1 plus T2 plus T3 equals to 180. Okay, T1 is A, T2 A plus D, T3 is A plus 2D equals to 180. So kita dapat 3A plus 3D equals to 180. Okay, kita simplify, all divided by 3. So A plus D equals to 60. Okey, so kita bolehlah jadikan A subject ataupun D subject pun tak ada masalah. So 60 minus D. So this is equation 1. Okey, baru satu equation. Okay, so lepas tu dia kata the longest section is 396 cm. Oh, longest yang which one ada 30 section. So longest maksudnya T 30. So T 30 equals to A plus 30 minus 1D. Okay, so equals to 396. Okay, so kita dapat kat sini A plus 29 D equals to 396. So A equals to 396 minus 29D. Okay, so kita dah ada two equations. So kita boleh solve simultaneously. Okay, so 1 equals to 2. So you all dapat 60 minus D equals to 396 minus 29D. So you all dapat 28D equals to 336. D dapatlah 12. So boleh masuk into 1 or 2. So I choose 1. So A equals to 60 minus 12. So A equals to 48. Okay, tak habis lagi sebab dia suruh cari dekat sini the length of the wire. The length of the wire meaning that the total length. Total length untuk semua sekali lah 30 section tu kan. So maksudnya kita kena cari S30. Okay, so S30 equals to formula dia N over 2. So 30 over 2, 2A. 2A is 2 times 48 plus N minus 1. 30 minus 1D is 12 just now. Okay, no. So kita boleh carilah semua ni 6660. You all tekan calculator. B. Lutfi has completed 2 over 3 of his tasks. Calculate the total length in centimeter of the remaining uncut wire. Okay, yang B, total tadi dia bagi 30 section. Okay, 2 over 3 has completed. So, 30 times 2 over 3 dapat 20 yang dah complete. So, dia nak calculate yang uncut. Maksudnya yang tak complete lah. So kalau ada 30, 20 dah complete, tinggal 10. So yang 10 is S30 minus S20. Okay, so S30 just now A kita dah cari 6660. S20 is 20 over 2. 2A, just now is 48. Okay, plus 20 minus 1D is 12. Okay, so ni kita dapat 6660 minus 3240. Okay, so the answer is 3420. C. If the second longest section of the wire is bent to form the cube, find the value of X. Okay, so the second longest section, just now ada 30 section, kalau yang the second is T29 lah, betul tak? Okay, so kita nak form X. So kita ada berapa side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So ada 12 side. So kita kena cari dululah T29. So C T29 equals to A plus 29 minus 1D. So A is 48 plus 28 times 12. Okay, so kita dapat 384. Okay, so nak cari X is 384 bahagi dengan 12. Okay, so X equals to 32 cm. Question number 6. Diagram 3 shows a circle with center O and radius 13 cm. QR and BR are tangents to the circle at point Q and B respectively. It is given the length of BQ equals to 24 cm. Okay, so given the diagram here, by using pi equals to 3.142, A, find the angle of BOQ in radian. Okay, so first of all, we have to label all the information on the diagram. Okay, so this one, the circle radius is 13. So this one is 13 13, and OQ is radius as well, so this one 13 as well. Okay, so the chord, BQ equals to 24, so this one 24. Okay, so then the question asks to find the angle of BOQ, so this one BOQ. Okay, so then to find BOQ, we can use formula of cosine rule, right? Okay, so this one cosine rule, so 24 squared equals to 13 squared plus 13 squared minus 2 times 13, 13 cos angle BOQ. Okay, so then cos angle BOQ equals to 13 squared plus 13 squared minus 24 squared over 2 times 13 times 13. Okay, so nak cari angle kita kena shift cos lah. So BOQ kita shift cos kan all the value ni. So kita dapat angle BOQ is 134.76. Okay, but we have to give the angle in radian. So times pi over 180. So given pi is 3.142 over 180. So then angle BOQ in radian is 2.3523 radian. B, find the perimeter in centimeter of the whole diagram. Okay, so the perimeter of the whole diagram actually the arc, okay, major arc, this one, and we add with the length of QR and BR. Okay, so since of BR and QR are tangent, okay, just now given tangent, right? Okay, so kita tahulah dia punya ni 90 degree, okay, 90 degree. Okay, meaning that this one same. Tapi kalau tengok gambar macam tak sama tapi gambar tu tak boleh ikut lah. So kita kena tahu dia punya properties. Okay, so then first of all we are going to try to find the length of arc BAQ. Okay, so then we have to find this angle first. Let's say let's say alpha. So alpha is 2 pi. Okay, minus tadi BOQ is 2.3523 kan. Okay, so kita dapatlah 2 pi is 3.142 minus 2.3523. So angle is 3.9317. Okay, dah dapat angle, so kita boleh cari S BAQ. Okay, BAQ. Okay, the formula is S equals to R theta. Okay, R is radius is 13. Okay, theta just now itulah 3.9317. Okay, so this one equals to 51.1121. Okay, so settle to find length of arc and the red one ni. Okay, so then we are going to find the length of BR or QR. Okay, so first of all we have to divide this into 2. Okay, kita kena bahagi 2. Okay, just now angle BOQ equals to 134.76 kan. Then we can find half of BOQ, which is BOR. So angle BOR equals to 134.76 over 2. So this one equals to 67.38. Okay, so this one is 67.38. So kita boleh carilah BR by using tangent. So opposite over adjacent. So tangent. So then tangent 67.38 equals to opposite is BR over OB. So over 13. So kita boleh cari BR. So BR is 13 times tangent 67.38. Okay. So this one equals to 31.1998. Okay, so then nak cari perimeter, kita total upkan lah. Okay, so perimeter. Okay, perimeter, this one, the length of arc, BAQ, so 51.1121 plus BR and QR are same, so times 2. So 2 times 31.1998. Okay, so this one, the answer is 113.5117. 6C, find the area in centimeter squared of the shaded region. Okay, so to find shaded region, okay, actually the sector, okay, sector OAQ plus with the triangle, okay, triangle OBQ. Okay, so for sector AOQ, so we use 1/2 r squared theta. For triangle is 1/2 AB sin C. Okay, so this one 1/2 r squared. Oh, sorry. We substitute the radius, 13. Okay, theta is this one. Theta, we know that the angle of BOQ is 2.5323. So kita nak cari angle AOQ is pi, which is 3.142 minus 2.3523. Okay, plus dengan area of triangle is 1/2 times 13 times 13 sin in degree, 134.76. So the final answer will be 126.73 centimeters squared. Number 7, it is given that PQR is a triangle. Point T31 lies on the line QR. The coordinates of P is -4, 1. Vector PR equals to 6i plus 3j and vector QR equals to -2i plus 6j. A, using the vectors triangle law, show that point T is the midpoint for the line QR. Okay, so first of all, given the triangles, where we draw any triangle. So let's say this is PQR. Okay, so this one PQR. Okay, so now point T lies on the QR. Okay, let's say here is T31. Then coordinate P is -4, 1. So this one -4, 1. PR. Okay, so PR we label the arrow from P to R, 6i plus 3j. Okay, QR. Okay, like this is -2i plus 6j. Okay, so then we are going to prove that T is midpoint of QR. Okay, actually QTR is collinear. So kita boleh guna lambda, collinear, guna hubungan collinear untuk proofkan dia midpoint. Okay, sebenarnya ada banyak cara tapi saya guna cara ni lah. So QR, okay, I use QR equals to lambda TR. Okay, so nanti kita nak buktikan lambda ni berapa. Okay, so now given point P -4, 1, so vector OP -4, 1, right? Okay, so coordinate T 3, 1, so vector OT equals to 3, 1. Okay, so then we are going to use all this information. Okay, so QR is given from the question. QR is -2i plus 6j. Tapi saya tukar kepada kolom vektor -2, 6. Okay, lambda TR. Okay, so TR we can use triangle law. Okay, so TR is TP plus PR. Okay, right. Okay, TR is TP plus TR. Okay, so then TP. Okay, TP is TO plus OP. Okay, plus PR kita dah ada kan. Okay, so then the rest kita masukkanlah substitute. Okay, so lambda Okay, TO is negative 3, 1. Okay, sorry, negative 3, negative 1 because opposite direction. Okay, OP is negative 4, 1. Okay, NPR is this one. Okay, 6I plus 3J becomes 6, 3. Okay, so then we simplify. Okay, negative 3 minus 4 plus 6, negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 plus 3, 3. So this one is negative 2, 6. Okay, so then we compare for vector I. Okay, negative 2 equals to negative lambda. So lambda equals to 2. So then for vector J, 6 equals to 3 lambda. Same, lambda equals to 2. Okay, so kita substitute into here. Kan? So QR. So QR equals to 2 TR. So then proven lah. Okay. So proven yang TR is midpoint. 7B, determine the unit vector in the direction of vector PR. Okay, so this is vector PR. So to find unit vector, we have to find the magnitude first. So vector magnitude PR equals to square root 6 squared plus 3 squared. So equals to 45. Okay, so to find the unit vector PR, okay, equals to 1 over 45 times vector 2, 6, 3. Okay, actually 45 we can simplify. 9 times 5. Okay, 6, 3. So this one is 1 over 9 5. Okay, 6, 3. So square root 9 is 3. So 1 over 3 5. 6, 3. So kita boleh simplify lah. So divide by 3. So this one is 1 over 5 to 1. Okay, ataupun 1 over 5 to I plus J. Number 8, table 1 shows the values of two variables x and y obtained from an experiment. The variables x and y are related by the equation y equals to p power of x plus 1 over q, where p and q are constant. A, plot the graph log y base 10 against x plus 1 using the scale of 2 cm to 0.5 unit on the x plus 1 axis and 2 cm to 0.2 units on the log y axis. Okay, hence draw the line of best fit. Okay, so first of all, we have to construct the table for values of log y against x plus 1. Okay, so then we construct the table. Okay, so we follow the instruction. So we have x plus 1. X plus 1. And this one log y base 10. For x plus 1, 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5. 1 plus 1, 2.0. 1.5 plus 1, 2.5. Then 2.95. Then 3.5 and 4.0. Okay, so for log y base 10, for 2.3, kita gunalah calculator. So kita dapat 0.302 decimal. Okay, 0.53, 0.70, 0.82, 1.02, and 1.18. Then from the table we construct, we draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so for x-axis 2 cm 0.5 and for big y-axis 2 cm 0.2. Okay, so we label 0.5 2 cm for big Y, so 2 cm 0.2. Then we plot all points. Okay, 1.5 0.30, 0.2 0.53, 2.5, 0.7, 2.95, 0.82, 3.5, 1.02, 4.0, 1.18. Then we construct best fit straight line. Okay, to answer question B, by using the graph in 8a, Roman 1, find the value of y when x equals to 0.75. Okay, so 0.75 is right here. Okay, so this one, so kita boleh carilah kita punya y. Okay, so this one I think you have to use ruler. Okay, so 0.43. Okay, so 0.43. So but this one is log y base 10 equals to 0.43. So then we can find y, so which is equals to 2.6915. So this one is for B Roman 1. For B Roman 2, write y equals to px plus 1 over q in the linear form. Hence, find the values of p and of q. So, meaning that we have to reduce this non-linear equation to linear equation. So, Roman 2, y equals to p power of x plus 1 over q. Okay, so from the question, we have clue here. We have to log both sides with log base 10. So, this one log y base 10 equals to log p power f x plus 1 over q base 10. Okay, so by using laws of logarithm, so divide, nanti jadi tolak So log p power of x plus 1 minus log q all base 10. Okay, so then by using laws of logarithm, we can move in front. So this one log p base 10 minus log q base 10. So this one is log y base 10. Okay, just now, given that this one is big Y and this is big X, so we can rearrange. Okay, so here log y base 10 equals to log p base 10 x plus 1 minus log q base 10. Okay, so this one big Y equals to m big X plus c. So then we can compare, we can find the gradient. Okay, so gradient is log p base 10. Okay, so kita boleh cari gradient lah. So mana gradient dia, kita tengok titik yang kena. Okay, so the first and the last, the first point and the last point. So kita carilah y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 1.18 minus 0.36 over 4.0 minus 1.5 equals to 0.328. Okay, so to find p, you have to shift log 0.328, which is equals to 2.1281. Okay, so for value of q is the c, x-intercept. So intercept equals to negative log q base 10. Okay, so we read from the graph. Okay, so here I got 0.14. Okay, 0.14. Negative 0.14. Okay, so this one equals to negative 0.14. Okay, so nak cari log q. So this one log q equals to 0.14 and q equals to 1.3804. Number 9, diagram 4 shows the straight line AB intersect the straight line CB at point B. It is given that the equation of the straight line AB is 3y minus 2x minus 19 equals to 0. Find A Roman 1, the equation of the straight line CB. Okay, so to find the equation of CB, y equals to mx plus c, we have to find the gradient and the intercept first. Okay, but now given that these two are parallel, meaning that same gradient, and this one is perpendicular. So then given here we have equation, so from that equation we can identify the gradient, right? So A Roman 1, we have 3y minus 2x minus 19 equals to 0. So kita boleh carilah 3y equals to 2x plus 19. So y equals to 2x plus 19. Sorry, this one over 3 over 3. So gradient AB is 2 over 3. So gradient AB equals to 2 over 3. Okay, since of CB perpendicular to AB, so kita boleh gunalah gradient AB times gradient CB equals to negative 1. So this one 2 over 3 times gradient CB equals to negative 1. So gradient CB equals to negative 3 over 2. So this one we substitute into y equals to mx plus c. So y, the gradient is negative 3 over 2x plus, okay, intercept is positive 2, so plus 2. So plus 2. Roman 2, find the coordinates of B. Okay, coordinate of B is intersection point of straight line AB and CB. Okay, so to find the intersection point, we can solve simultaneously. So, persamaan serentak. Okay, so just now we have equation of AB is 3y minus 2x minus 19 equals to 0. Okay, so this is equation 1. So then this is equation 2. So 2 into 1. So 2 into 1. Okay, so we have 3y is negative 3 over 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus 19 equals to 0. Okay, so we solve this one. So this one become negative 9 over 2x plus 6 minus 2x minus 19 equals to 0. So negative 9 over 2 minus 2x is negative 13 over 2x. So equals to 13. So then x equals to negative 2. Okay. So then we substitute into equation 2. Okay, untuk cari y. So then y equals to negative 3 over 2 times negative 2 plus 2. So y equals to 5. Okay, so then the point B is negative 2, 5. B, the straight line CB is extended to point D, negative 519 over 2, such that CB is to CD equals to M is to N. Find the ratio of M is to N. Okay, so CB extended to D. Okay, so D, negative 519 over 2. Okay, so then ratio CB M. So CB M. Okay, CD N. CD all N. So meaning that BD is N minus M. Okay, so then B just now is negative 2, 5. Okay, so by using formula of points that divides internally in the ratio of Mn, so we try to find value or ratio of M is to N. So the subject is B, negative 2, 5. Okay, equals to, okay, we try to do coordinate x first. Okay, so M with this with this. Okay, so N minus M times 0 plus M times negative 5 over M plus N minus M. Okay, so next for coordinate Y, so again we cross this with this with this. Okay, so N minus M times 2 plus M times 19 over 2. Okay, divided by M plus N minus M. Okay, so then this one we compare. Okay, either we choose compare x or compare y. Okay, let's say I choose compare coordinate x because easier. Here we have 0 kan. Okay, so coordinate x -2 equals to this one 0 0 minus 5m over n. Okay, so this one is -2 -5m over n. So m n to 5. Okay, so therefore m is to n equals to 2 is to 5. C. The point P moves such that its distance from point B is always 3 units. Find the equation of the locus of point P. Okay, so point P, moving point, so xy. Okay, and B, just now we have -2, 5. Okay, so the distance PB equals always 3 units. So then we use formula of distance. So square root. Okay, so x minus -2. Jangan terus tulis x plus 2. Squared plus y minus 5 squared. So this one equals to 3. Then to eliminate, so we have to square both sides. Okay, so then this one become x plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals to 9. Lepas tu kamu simplify je lah. Okay, so this one become x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 minus 9 equals to 0. So this one become x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 10y plus 4 plus 25 minus 10. So 20. Okay, equals to 0. 10a. In a toss of a fair dice, obtaining a number which is a multiple of 3 is considered as a success. Okay, find the minimum number of tosses required so that the probability of obtaining at least one success is greater than 0.9. Okay, so now toss. Okay, toss meaning that this is discrete random variable, so we can use binomial. Okay, so P today dulu. X equals to R and CR P power of R Q power of N minus R. Okay, so now the success is multiple of 3. So multiple of 3 is 3 and 6. Okay, so probability of success is 2 over 6. So equals to 1 over 3. Okay, so then Q equals to 2 over 3 lah. Okay, so now we are going to find the number of tosses. So kita nak cari N. Nak cari N, tak tahu. Okay, so dia kata dekat sini probability ni. Probability obtaining at least one success. So P, at least one success. So X more equals than 1. Is greater than 0.9. So more than 0.9. Okay, so x more equals than 1. Actually 1 minus, maksudnya x equals to 1 plus x equals to 2 plus x equals to 3 sampai n kan, banyak sangat kan. So kita guna yang complement lah, 1 minus p x equals to 0. Okay, so more than 0.9. So we substitute lah by using formula of binomial. So n tak tahu. Okay, so n C0 1 over 3 power of 0 2 over 3 power of n minus 0 is more than 0.9. Okay, so the rest kamu calculation biasa. So n C0 is 1, sorry. So this one is 1, this one 1, this one 2 over 3 power of n. So this one become less than 1 minus 0.9, 0.1. Okay, so then kita ni all this is 2 over 3 power of n less than 0.1 by using loss of logarithm, kita boleh logkan both side with log base 10. So this one log base 10 2 over 3 power of n log 0.1. Okay, so then n is log 2 over 3 base 10. So log 0.1 base 10. Okay, so then n more than is kenapa more than? This one actually positive, negative, so negative the sign ni akan berubah lah. Okay, so this one equals to log 0.1 base 10 divided by log 2 over 3 base 10. Okay, so then n is more than 5.678. Okay, so n is number of toasters kan. So n is integer, so kita ambil lah n equals to 6. B. The mass of a bag of flour in kilogram is normally distributed with a mean of mu kilogram and a standard deviation of sigma kilogram. If 97.5% of the bags of flour have masses less than 50.1 kilogram and 88.49% have masses more than 34.3 kilogram, find the value of mu and of sigma. Okay, so now we have two unknown here, so we need to create two equations so then we can solve simultaneously. Okay, so first of all, x is mass. Okay, so for the first info here, 97, mass less than 50. So P x less than 50.1 equals to 97.5 over 100, 0.975. Okay, so we make it standard, 50.1 minus mu over standard deviation. So 0.975. Okay, so we draw the graph. So this one 0 less than from left. So 0.975 more than 0.5. So dia terlajak lah. So this one 0.975. So this is 1 minus 0.975, 0.025. Okay, so kita kena cari z-score dia. So 50.1 minus mean over standard deviation, kita cari 0.025. This one. Okay, so then 96. Okay, so 1.96. Okay, sorry, 1.96. Okay, so then we make anyone or mu or sigma as subject. So kita jadikan subject lah mana-mana pun. Okay, so 50.1 tolak mu equals to 1.96 sigma. So mu equals to 50.1 minus 1.96 sigma. So this one equation 1. Okay, another one for 88.49%. Mass more than 34.3. So P x more 34.3 equals to 0.8849. Okay, so standard kan. So Z 34.3 minus mean over standard deviation. So 0.8849. Okay, same. So we draw the graph, but this one more. Okay, so more from right. So pun sama, dia terlajak. So this one is 0.8849. So kita kena cari yang opposite dia. 1 minus 0.8849 is 0.1151. Okay, so kita cari from the table so dia punya value is negative so 34.3 minus mu over standard deviation. Kita siap-siap tulis, aku terlupa. Okay, so we looking for 0.1151. 0.1151. Ni dia. Okay, 1.20. Okay, so this one negative 1.20. Okay, so 34.3 minus mu 1.20 sigma. So mu equals to 34.3 plus 1.20 sigma. Okay, so now we have two equations. So kita boleh solve simultaneously lah. So 1 equals to 2. Okay, so 50.1 minus 1.96 sigma equals to 34.3 plus 1.20 sigma. Okay, so 50.1 minus 34.3, 1.20 plus 1.96 sigma. So then this one 3.16 sigma equals to 15.8, and sigma divide 15.8 divided by 3.16 so dapat 5. Okay, so we can substitute sigma equals to 5 into any one. Let's say I want to substitute into 2. Okay, so mu equals to 34.3 plus 1.20 times 5. So the mean equals to 40.3. So now we already have the value of mean and standard deviation. Number 11, it is given that the equation of a curve is y equals to x squared x minus 2. A, find Roman 1, the gradient function of the curve. Okay, so given here, Roman 1, y equals to x squared x minus 2. To find gradient function, actually we are going to find dy dx. Okay, this one we need to expand first. Y equals to x cubed minus 2x squared before we differentiate with respect to x. So then we will get dy dx. So this one is 3x squared minus 4x. Okay, so then Roman 2, find the coordinates of the turning point of the curve. Okay, turning point actually dy dx equals to 0. Okay, so dy dx equal to 0. Okay, here dy dx is 3x squared minus 4x equals to 0. Then we factorize x 3x minus 4. So then we will get x equals to 0 and x equals to 4 over 3. Okay, to find the point, we need to find the coordinates of y. So when x equals to 0, we substitute into y. So 0 cubed minus 2 times 0 squared equals to 0. Okay, so the point is 0, 0. Okay, so then another one, x equals to 4 over 3. Y equals to 4 over 3 cubed minus 2 times 4 over 3 squared. So this one equals to negative 32 over 27. So the coordinate is 4 over 3, negative 32 over 27. Okay, turning point actually could be maximum point or minimum point. So then to identify, to determine whether each of the turning point is maximum or minimum, you have to differentiate another time. Okay, so meaning that we need to find d squared y dx squared. Okay, just now this is your dy dx, so d squared y dx squared we differentiate with respect to x another time. So 6x minus 4. Okay, so then we substitute x equals to 0 into d squared y dx squared. 6 times 0 minus 4 is negative 4. Okay, so negative 4 less than 0. Okay, so we have maximum. Okay, so when x equals to 4 over 3, d squared y dx squared equals to 6 times 4 over 3 minus 4. So this one equals to 4. 4 is more than 0. Okay, so then minimum. Okay, so finally we have to conclude. So therefore, point 0, 0 is maximum point, and 0.4/3 negative 32/27 is minimum point. (11b), if the tangents to the curve at point A to 0 and a point P are parallel, find the coordinates of point P. Okay, so here the clue is parallel. Okay, parallel meaning that same gradient. So gradient at point, we have to find gradient at point A first. Okay, so just now dy dx from A, dy dx equals to 3x squared minus 4x. Okay, at point A, we substitute point x equals to 2. So 3 times 2 minus 4 squared minus 4 times 2. Okay, this one equals to 4. Okay, so now just now parallel same gradient. So this gradient equals to gradient at point P. Gradient at point P kita tak tahu kan, tapi kita tahu gradient is dy dx. So dy dx samakan dengan 4 lah. So 3x squared minus 4x equals to 4. Itu maksud dia. Gradient at point A equals to gradient at point P. Okay, so kita samakan lah. Okay, so this one quadratic. So you convert into general form. 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. So this one 3x plus 2, then x minus 2. Okay, so we will get value of x is negative 2/3 and x equals to 2. Okay, so just now yang tu ni tak payah ambil lah sebab kita dah ada dekat A kan. So kita ambil yang x equals to negative 2/3, yang another one. So to find the coordinates of P, now we have coordinate of x. To find coordinate of y, we substitute into y. Okay, so when x equals to negative 2/3, so then y equals to, just now this is y kita tadi ke atas So y equals to x cubed minus 2x squared, right? So kita substitute, so equals to negative 2/3 cubed minus 2 times negative 2/3 squared. Okay, so the answer will be negative 32/27. Okay, so therefore point P is negative 2/3, negative 32/27. Question number 12. In diagram 5, BD equals to 5 cm, BC equals to 7 cm, CD equals to 8 cm, AE equals to 12 cm, and angle AEB equals to 40 degree. A, calculate Roman 1 angle BDC. Okay, so to find angle BDC is this one. We can use cosine rule. Okay, so Roman 1, the opposite is 7. So 7 as subject. 7 squared equals to 5 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 5 times 8. Okay, so then cos angle BDC. Okay, so then cos angle BDC equals to 5 squared plus 8 squared minus 7 squared over 2 times 5 times 8. Okay, so then kalau kita nak cari angle BDC, we shift cos, okay? So which is equals to 60 degree. Okay, so this one 60 degree, meaning that this one 60 degree as well. Okay, so this one 60, 60. So then to find A Roman 2, to find the length in centimeter of AD. So this one AD. Okay, so we can use sine rule. Okay, so sine rule, AD opposite is angle 40 degree. So Roman 2, AD over sine 40 equals to 12 over sine 60. Okay, sine 60. So then AD equals to 12 over sine 60 times sine 40. So then kita calculate, kita dapat the answer is 8.9067. Roman 3, calculate the area in centimeter squared of triangle ABC. Okay, so for Roman 3 to find area ABC, kita tak boleh cari sekali arung kan, sebab ada a few angles and length yang kita tak tahu. So kita cari area ABC is area BCD, okay, plus area BDA. Okay, so then for area BCD, okay, is 1 over 2 times 5 times 8 times sine 60. Okay, so for area BDA is 1 over 2 BDA. Okay, just now this length AD is 8.9067, right? Okay, so then 1 over 2 times 5 times 8.9067, okay, times sine 180 minus 60, so 120. So then we can directly calculate this one, become 36.6041. B, point D prime lies on BE such that AD prime equals to AD. Roman 1, sketch triangle AD prime E. Okay, so given here AD prime equals to AD and D lies on straight line BE. So another D is right here. So D prime, because AD equals to AD prime. Segitiga sama kaki. Okay, so to sketch triangle AD prime E, so you must use ruler. Okay, so Roman 1 ni kena use ruler lah to draw AD prime E. Okay, so this is A, this is D prime and E. Okay, so for Roman 2, calculate the area in centimeters squared this triangle. Okay, so Roman 2, okay, to draw calculate the area, just now this one is 60 degree. So triangle we have 180 degrees, so this angle 180 minus 60 minus 40, so 80. Okay, so since of this is isosceles, so this one 60 degree as well. So dekat sini 60 60 ni 60 jugalah. Okay, so this one 20. To find area of triangle AD prime E equals to 1 over 2 AB sin C. Okay, so this one just now point AD is 8.9. This one kan 8.9067. So AD prime sama, sebab sama kan. Okay, so this one is 8.9067 times 12 times sine 20. Okay, so kita kira je lah. So this one become 18.2776. Number 13, table 2 shows the price indices in the year 2021 based on the year 2015 of 4 items A, B, C and D used in the production of a pair of shoes and their weightages. Okay, so this one given price index, so meaning that I, okay, 2021 base 2015, weightages W. Okay, A, given the price of the material A is RM3 in the year 2015, calculate its price in the year 2021. Okay, since of material A, so we focus on A. So then this one I, 21 base 15 equals to 140. So formula price index I is price 21 base price 15 times 100 equals to 140. Okay, so price 2021 kita tak tahu, so kita carilah. So P21 price 2015 is 3 ringgit times 100 equals to 140. So then price 21 equals to 140 times 3 ringgit divided by 100. Okay, so this one equals to 4 ringgit 20. So mesti 2 decimal places. B, given that the composite index for the year 2021 based on the year 2015 is 134.5. Find the value of P. Okay, so then given composite index is I bar. So I bar 21 base 15 equals to 134.5. Okay, so we have formula I bar is summation of IW over summation of W. So each this we have to multiply. Okay, so this one 140 times 2P plus 135 times 3 plus 120 times 1 plus 130 times P over total of weightage. Okay, so 2P plus 3 plus 1 plus P. This one equals to 134.5. Okay, so you all kira lah kan semua ni. Okay, so this one 410P plus 525 over 3P plus 4. Okay, equals to 134.5. Lepas tu 410P plus 525 is 134.5 times 3P plus 4. Okay, so the rest you all simplify lah. 410P plus 52.5 equals to 403.5P plus 538. So then 410P minus 403.5 is 6.5P equals to 13. Nanti dapat P equals to 2. C. Find the price of a pair of shoes in the year 2015 if its corresponding price in the year 2021 is RM25. Okay, so corresponding price kita guna formula of price index. Okay, so just now I bar dia dah bagi 2021 base 15 equals to 134.5. Okay, so kita boleh menyamakan formula composite index dengan formula index price index. So price 21 over price 15 times 100 equals to 134.5. Okay, yang dia bagi in the year 2021 RM25. So 25 over P 15 times 100 equals to 134.5. So price in the year 2015 is 25 times 100 over 134.5. So the answer is 18.59. D. It is given that the price of materials D is estimated to increase by 25% from the year 2021 to the year 2023, while the other materials remain unchanged. Calculate the composite index of a pair of shoes for the year 2023 based on the year 2015. Okay, so now we focus on D. Sebab dia kata D je kan yang increase by 25%. Okay, so kalau kita tengok kat sini D 130 dia punya price index from 2015. Ni D from 2015 to 2021. Dia composite index price index is 130. Okay, since of they increased 25% from 2021 to 2023. So 2023, so ni they increase 25%. So the price index is 125. Okay, so kita boleh cari price index for year 23 base 20 base 15. Okay, 130 times 125 over 100. Okay, so this one equals to 162.5. Okay, so now dia suruh cari composite index. So kita kena buat table baru lah for item A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D ni dia remain unchanged. Dia kata kat sini remain unchanged untuk A, B, C, D. Okay, so then dia punya I for 23 base 15 sama lah. So sama 140 sama dengan ni. Okay, ambil 140, 135, 120. So 120, 135, 120. But yang D tu is 162.5. So weightage pun sama, kita gunakan the value of P equals to 2 yang terdapat. Okay, so kita masuklah dalam ni lah. 2 times 2, 4, 3, 1, 2. So 4, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so then kita boleh cari composite index year 23 base 15. Okay, so this one equals to 140 times 4 plus 135 times 3 plus 120 times 1 plus 162.5 times 2. Okay, divide by, jangan total up kan, kena buat satu-satu. 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so this one is 141. Number 14. An institution of higher learning offers undergraduate course in information technologies and engineering. The number of information technology student is X. Okay, X for information technology and Y for engineering student. Okay, so then given the constraint, the enrollment of these two courses are based on the following constraint. So A, you have to write three inequalities other than X more equals than 0 and Y more equals than 0 which satisfy all the given constraint. Okay, so for the first one, the total number of students for these two courses is at most 450. So total. So X plus Y at most, so less or equals than 450. Okay, number 2, the number of engineering student, just now Y, okay, exceed the number of information technology student by at least 50. So Y minus X, at least more equals than 50. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, then the third one, the number of engineering student is not more. So Y, not more, so less or equals 3 times number of information technology students. So Y less or equals than 3X. Okay. B, using a scale of 2 cm to 50 students on both axes, construct and shade the region R that satisfy all the given constraints. Okay, then kita draw x-axis and y-axis. Then follow the scale here, 2 cm to 50 students for x-axis. And same for y-axis, 2 cm to 50 students as well. Then we draw straight line x plus y equals to 450. Straight line y minus x equals to 50. And straight line y equals to 3x. Lepas tu kita shade lah region R. C, use your graph in 14b, find Roman 1, the range of the number of information technology student. So information technology student is X. So kita kena cari range lah yang minimum dengan maksimum. Okay, so from graph here, we can read minimum x is 25 and maximum is 200. Okay, so then Roman 1, x between 25 and more or equals than 25 but less or equals than 200. Roman 2, find the minimum total tuition fee collected per academic year if there are 125 information technology students, which each information technology student paying RM 8,000 and each engineering student paying RM 12,000 as annual tuition fees. Okay, so given here, X, okay, so the information technology student, X equals to 125. So here we have to construct straight line, X equals to 1 to 5. Okay, so then you find the maximum and minimum value. Okay, so the maximum is 3 to 5 and minimum is 175. Okay, so then we substitute into the fee. Okay, fee here Roman 2, fee equals to 8,000x, right, plus 12,000y. So just now x is 125 and y is 175 equals to 3,100,000 ringgit. The last one, question number 15. Solution by graph sketching is not accepted. Diagram 6 shows two particles A and B move along a straight line passing two fixed points K and L respectively. Particle A passes the fixed point K and particle B passes the fixed point L simultaneously. The distance of KL is 20 meter. The velocity of A, V meter per second, is given by V A equals to 3t minus 2t squared plus 2, where t is time in second after leaving K, while B travel with a constant velocity of negative 2 meter per second. Particle A stopped instantaneously at point M. Question A. Find the maximum velocity in meter per second of a particle A. Okay, so from the information given, okay, VA equals to negative 2t squared plus 3t plus 2. And VB equals to negative 2 constant. Okay, another one, information, the distance, this one is 20. Okay, so for to find the maximum velocity, so A0. So A0 for particle A. So to find A from velocity, we need to differentiate. So A, particle A, differentiate. So negative 4t plus 3. So make it equal to 0, then t is 3 over 4. So to find the maximum velocity, so VA max, we substitute negative 2, 3 over 4 squared plus 3 times 3 over 4 plus 2. Okay, so this one equals to 25 over 8. Okay, B, find the distance in meter M from K. Okay, tadi dia ada cakap particle A stop at M. So A stop at M. So kalau kita nak cari distance in meter M from K, so kita kena cari particle A stop. Okay, A stop meaning that V equals to 0. Okay, so V A equals to 0 stop. So negative 2t squared plus 3t plus 2 equals to 0. So ni quadratic, so kita boleh factorize. So 3t minus 2 0, so kita factorize. Kita boleh dapat equals to 2t plus 1, t minus 2. Okay, so t equals to negative 1 over 2 tak boleh lah, t tak boleh negatif. So we choose t equals to 2. Okay, so the particle stop at M when T equals to 2. Okay, so nak cari dia punya distance, kita kena cari dia punya displacement. So to find displacement from velocity, we have to integrate. Okay, so nak find displacement A, integrate velocity. Negative 2t squared plus 3t plus 2. Integrate with respect to t. So this one is negative 2t cubed over 3 plus 3t squared over 2 plus 2t plus c. So when t equals to 0, s equals to 0, so c equals 0. So kita assume c 0. So s for particle A is negative 2 over 3t cubed plus 3 over 2t squared plus 2t. Okay, just now kita tahu dia stop when t equals to 2. So then we substitute. T equals to 2. Okay, plus 3 over 2, 2 squared plus 2 times 2. Okay, so ni kita kira kita akan dapat equals to 14 over 3. So displacement dia positif. So masa dia dekat M tu, dia punya distance is 14 over 3. C. Find the distance in meter between A and B when A at point M. Okay, just now yang B kita dah tahu when A at point M, T equals to 2. Right, okay, so T equals to 2. For particle B, just now given VB constant velocity equals to negative 2. So kita nak cari distance, kita kena find the displacement. Okay, so to find the displacement from B, we need to integrate. So SB equals to integrate negative 2 dt. So negative 2t plus c. So when t 0, s 0, so c 0. So then SB equals to negative 2t. Okay, just now t equals to 2, so negative 2 times 2 equals to negative 4. Okay, so negative 4 meaning that 4 meter to the left. Okay, so just now tadi yang K to M 14 over 3. So now kat sini dia ada negative 4. Okay, so ni A, particle A, ni particle B. So to find distance AB is, tertolakkan lah. So distance AB minus 14 over 3 minus 4. Okay, so this one equals to 34 over 3.